I mean, I tell you about how many women still come to me for health reasons. And when you dig deeper, abuse is part of their story. So recently, a woman told me something that broke my heart. She came to me because we did this episode on the intimacy crisis in marriages.
Yeah.
And she came to me and she goes like, okay, I want to ask you something. And we did one again. We had one on narcissistic abuse. But she now came and said, I want to ask you something. So now, when you now decide maybe the environment is not safe for you and you actually leave, she was in an abusive relationship. She was beaten and bruised. She has left. She spent so much cream trying to bleach her scars. But doctor, you need to come and talk to us how to bleach our heart scars, the scars in the heart. You know, and I think that really exposed to me the depth that the pain doesn't stop when you just leave.
Absolutely.
That's why I said it can affect not more than the woman, it can affect her children, her community, and that kind of stuff.